For this video, so make sure you got a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel of J-Con Squad. And make sure you leave your Roblox username in the comment section down below. And make sure you start call J-Con Newton if you buy Roblox. Guys, so right now, you have a very sad news for Ox Adopt Me right now. Yeah, them said Adopt Me to hit a earthquake yesterday. I guess it's a 4.8 magnitude earthquake struck Adopt Me yesterday. So when you look in Adopt Me right now and say there's an earthquake in the center part of Adopt Me. So yeah, it will, that's why we make a video on today. You guys got my room that's set up. Turn on. So make sure you leave a thumbs up on the video, of course. And yeah, um, just more walk over there and see what's going on with Adopt Me right now. Yes, got you. Yeah, check it out, forgot you. Yep, got you. Alright, so my house is the center right here. So nobody's in my server. Alright, so let's go over there right now. This is a really bad earthquake though. It can shake 45 kilometers of Adopt Me. So yeah, we're going to go over here right now because bad things going on in Adopt Me. Yeah, yeah, want to go check it out. Yeah, not sure what I go. A clear balloon. Who have that up though? And the body is not in my server. Where's that? Oh, this person for your presence. Hello, sir. Can you give me a ride? Huh? $5. See, you can get so cool. Oh, we can't sit to come and say what? We cannot sit. Stupid. Yeah, nothing not going on. So let's go. My get hit by this. Oh, but nope. So then to the earthquake struck right over here, and yeah, but everything is still okay. There's no damage. The Santa over here is waving at me. Look at the presents. No presents for me today. Party store. Wow, check out this thing. This is like a church. No places to top me, man. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Oh, I got this place already. I like how all the way I jumped though. Let's look in the book. Trim thing before. Oh, this person is trimming thing before. Okay, but I don't want it. Can't stay with that. Alright, so let's get back home. There's no earthquakes, nothing at all. And so I have a code for that to that. I'm not gonna enter that though. Oh my god, jump up. One try to go up there. But going to the door, that's number one thing. Yeah, tell me in the comment section down below if that girl is right, say earthquake go in Adopt Me. Cause when I look at the game, no earthquakes, nothing at all. Never was in the server. So probably this rumor first, people say there was an earthquake and there was no earthquakes. Yeah, probably was a rumor. Alright, so let's head back home guys. I'm hoping you guys enjoy this video. Hey, what is this over here? Oh, the car is so. I thought they have Robux, guys. Can you come to be like at my house though? My house is so nice. No need a car for just drive me around. Oh yes, it's nice. I've been on this so become a yes back from take some photos. Good for Instagram. You know me. But anyway guys, this is for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. And by the way, go get my merch, the link in the description down below. And please go subscribe to my channel. Like once again, go almost at 12 subscribers. Yeah, we're reaching that goal again. Yeah, you know. And yeah, this is me for the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Me guys see you soon in the next video. Bye, peace out everyone. I see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Be safe.